All right, this is my favorite activity in developing the formula for the area of a circle. It's just another way to do it in activity 2. They're telling you to draw a circle and label the radius as r. If you can draw your own, great. If you can't, it's asking you to divide it into 24 equal sections. If you don't have the capabilities of doing this at home, just borrow this activity as your own. This might be a better use of your time to just use the circle that they did. And so here we have labeling the radius as r. Any one of these would have been fine. And so if you divide it into 24 equal sections, that's what this would look like. They want you to cut the sections apart and arrange them into an appropriate parallelogram. Again, if you don't have the capabilities or the time to do this at home, you can just borrow this one as your own and answer the questions on the Google form using this one. Now this is cool. We're on to part D already, so if you can't do A, B, and C, don't worry about it. Let's just answer questions on part D. What is the approximate height and base of the parallelogram? Now, I am not asking you to necessarily measure the height of the parallelogram and the base of the parallelogram. What I want you to think about is the height of the parallelogram in terms of parts of a circle. Okay, and so I want you to tell me, what is this from this picture? Not what is its measurement, but what part of the circle is it? And also, what is this? Again, not its measurement, but what part of the circle is it? And that is what I want you to think about in terms of, well, what is it that you did to find the area of the parallelogram? I'm not asking you to tell me what the area is in inches or centimeters or any other measurement. I just want to know if how you find the area of a parallelogram is base times height. Well, what did you call the base of this parallelogram in terms of the part of the circle? And what is the height of the parallelogram in terms of the part of the circle? And so my hope is that you're going to see here that in rearranging parts of a circle into a shape that you know, the parallelogram, you can develop the formula for the area of a circle if you can look at this in terms of parts of a circle. Good luck. We will talk about this more tomorrow at our team meeting. Do what you can here and just be ready to ask some questions tomorrow.